In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to remove a stuck drill bit from a Ryobi drill. So here we have a Ryobi drill, and let's say we have this drill bit here stuck. What the first thing I recommend is tapping it on a work surface, only ever so gently. So once you tap it on a work surface, hopefully if there's any rust, what's rusted it together, this should break the seal. Then what we need to do is, you see this little tab here, we need to, with the drill pointing this way, turn it left like that and press this tab all the way in. You can see it's now all the way in. Then at the end here, this is the chuck, and we want to grip the chuck, and then we want to slowly press the trigger. So hold the chuck tightly and press the trigger, and there you go. It just unloosened the drill bit. And you see, and we keep holding that. We can now take it out. So I'll demonstrate that. I'll put that back in, tighten it back up, and what you can do, push it back in like that. I'll show you, if you can see the little teeth there, when we hold the chuck, don't actually hold this here, this is the clutch settings. You want to hold the actual, just the black bit here at the end, the chuck. So when we hold that, you can see that widens it to loosen it. Now we press it towards us like that. Now hold the chuck again. You can see them teeth tightening. So you want to make sure that's pressed in. So when the drill's like that, facing away from you, turn it left and make sure this tab is pressed in. Hold the chuck and it will untighten the teeth. So let's hold the chuck. You can see the teeth going in. Make sure you wear some gloves, because if you don't have enough grip, it can burn your hand. So you'll then be able to, so that's not tight enough, so untighten it, put your drill bit in, press that all the way to you, now you'll be able to tighten it. There you go. Give it a few little tightens like that. So remember, have the drill facing that way, turn it left, press the little tab in, hold the chuck, there you go. You'll be able to remove the stuck drill bit from your Ryobi drill.